never need. Cute. I think this is a pocket. Anyways, these are the Fabletics. These are the Trinity High Impact Sports Bra. So obviously these are the Trinity pants as well. We're gonna use the Kiehl's Rare Earth. These are the two things I use to take it off. I think I just didn't record all of that, which is great. I washed my face. Eye cream I feel like doesn't do shit, no matter what it is, because it's all hereditary, so dark circles apparently are a part of me, so I just put them on, you know, just to put it on. But difference, I'm gonna need that syringe soon. Breakfast is over right now. You gotta clean it, because if not, then it melts up, so we'll be washing dishes. Filming. I get a little nervous emailing brands because, you know, they can always just be like, no. But, you know, I was in contact with one person, and then that person left, so I had to kind of just give my whole spiel again with my rates, and we'll see. It's just a side note. I feel like brands are very sneaky, and they're just like, oh yeah, just like do this for me, and like we'll just use it for 3 years. And it's like, why are you using it for 3 years? You have to pay me those 3 years. So usage has been kind of a headache for me, because I try to break it down to them that like, you're using this for your campaign, like you are making money out of any time that you use my content. So if it's for a year, if it's for like 2 years, like I'm going to charge something. But Mr. is sick. He had what I had, which was like a stuffy nose, like a quick cold, a quick common cold. I'm getting out of it, and now he's just starting, and he's being a baby. We have to go run those errands, and I want to be back by like 4. Relax, organize some more. I tried to film a reel this morning, but so I gotta do that next. I gotta pick a song. Oh, I have an Amazon order coming soon. Our entryway table. We've got a reply. Let's see. This is what I mean. Let me see if I do my math. This brand wanted 2 years of social usage. So of course, I was like, all right, my rate, social usage times 2. And now they're like, we'll settle on 1 year of usage. I still got my way, but this is what I mean. You don't want to pay for 2 years of usage. So, brand deal secured. Christmas tree shop. We got cups. These beer cans. Thought they were nice. 48 cents. Do it. Tre. Quattro. Gotta wash those. They just sit on top. This stool was $50. 50% off.
The screwdriver now.
I got one.
What you got?
Screwdriver. Wow, wow, wow. Here, you gotta set up the screwdriver.
But that part's not done. And look, the finger chair's crippled.
Wow.
It's not done, baby.
It's not done.
Oh, I need some water.
I finished building our stools.
The way I want to deal with it is, I don't want to.
Is there no battery? Are we vibing?
Years ago, he had an affair and I gave him a pass. And here we are having to deal with it. Ta-da!
Entry table built.
Woo! Take. You're with us? You guys ready? You guys are not ready.
What do we think?
Cute. Let's see.
Oh. Yeah?
Yeah. Let's see.
Ooh. You know what I was thinking too? I don't know if this works though.
Go up.
Where's this little though?
Let's see.
Like a double situation,
Okay, but I can't be next to each other.
right? Might have
Okay,
to be like
hold
here.
one. Hold one. Gonna have to use
Or how about the way you had it around the thing?
right here
Yeah.
around the thing.
Huh?
Ready? Coming in. This is the first thing I see.
Is this a good height?
So it looks like it's.
We'll never see it like fully open.
Yeah.
Fully open.
Yeah. You can't even see what you're doing. I'll do it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive. Déjalo ahí. Yeah, déjalo ahí.
You sure? I think a little more.
No, but you're just barely hitting it.
Where the fuck are you?
Yeah.
Oh, I scratched the life out of that. Okay. I gotta get it in that little thing, right?
Yeah, you have to go out.
If I don't get it that first time, okay. I'm gonna go. Do I let go? I already let go.
¿Está de lado, mi amor?
¿Está de lado?
Yeah. ¿O es que es así the form?
No.
No, está de
It
lado.
keeps. Oh, is that why they have that other screw here? Watch.
Yeah.
That's a lot of holes.
Try it. I don't see why not.
If I don't get it that first time.
Ay, cuidado.
Oh, wow. Is that too wonky?
I don't think it's bad. What are your thoughts?
I don't have any thoughts. I'm thinking, is it too high? No, it can't be that high.
No.
Because DJ needs to be able to see.
Yeah, I think it's fine. See the vision, guys? Obviously, none of that's gonna be there.
Yeah, this ain't gonna be here. Do we like this?
I mean, I like it. It's cute. You just have to like decorate it.
We're keeping that, or should we? Let me see the other one.
I just think if you're gonna do the other one, you might need to put another, just to keep it leveled. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Let me see. See, like it's like sideways. Yeah. You might need to make a hole there.
Is this better than the first way?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's tricky because how the hell am I supposed to figure out where the hole?
Coge un lápiz. I'm gonna stop you guys for a second.
Don't you hate when you see something on Instagram and I thought I saved it? 0 minutes. What does that mean? Contra. But anyways, I just came back from the gym. First day back at F45 and killed me. We're gonna have some steak and cheese subs. Because I've been wanting to make this for a while, and today's the day. I'm really upset. I really thought I saved something. It was something for the camera settings that I thought I saved. So I just finished cleaning and I just noticed maybe I should have done the unboxing before, but I have packages that I need to unwrap, so I got this month's Fabletics. So this is the Vanessa Hudgens line. These, I don't know, I'm hoping these fit. They have stretch. I got a small, which is my normal size, but this one is a little scary. I'm afraid to try it on. It's a really cute set. Anyways, that's from that. Oh, I need scissors. Let's see, let's do this one. Looks like Urban Decay. Spray. All-nighter setting spray. Vitamin C from Facts. Instantly hydrates and brightens. Energizing, uplifting, citrus scent. Smooths firm skin. Up to 16-hour wear. Water resistance. Transfer resistance. Vegan and cruelty free. Cool. Hey. That was nice. Next we have Bondi Sands. Oh, how cute. We've got skincare. I love Ilia. I love working with them. I want a few things, so this is gonna be good. I got the brow gel. Their new Radiant Priming Serum. This is the complexion brush. Does anyone ever just test it out like beforehand? I think about like, what can I put on with this? My face is clean. I'm thinking their foundation. I usually do that with my fingers. And I already have a really good concealer brush going on at the moment. I don't have a desire to switch that. And I already have a bronzer one. There should be something coming in the mail. I ordered a faux olive tree that should be coming in. This is a temporary couch. Our actual couch is coming Friday. So the stools are in, the entryway is complete. The plant that lives there might not. You know what, let me just show you. They came out the perfect height and they were 25 bucks. This is the entryway. This is from Amazon. This is the catch-all with all our stuff. This clock is living here for now, and this plant is living here for now, and this mirror is from Amazon. Me and my best friend have matching entryway mirrors because it's so cute. We're gonna light it up. Okay. So we're lighting the bottom. 1, 2, this is, so there's a little layer under. These are the candles. And this is what the little corner looks like. I got this from H&M. These 3 things and their attachments, Hobby Lobby. This is from Target, and then this is from Target as well, that fee. But I don't know if it's gonna live here, but for now it's here. These flower arrangements from Hobby Lobby, and this vase I got from HomeSense. So cheers to that. I'm already on my last load of laundry. By then I'll take a nice shower. I'm gonna wash the hair, and then I'm gonna finish Unauthorized Living and start Bridgerton. That's my goal for today. So if I can do everything that I just said by the end of tonight, I'm gonna be a happy fucking camper, and Monday is gonna be great. Hey, this is the new camera. Don't play with it. Someone came out in the hallway and we ran into the stairs. Right. It's not here. We're looking for a package, but it's actually a food delivery. Unless it's Nicole. Nicole's with child. Wait, what? What is this? Can you ask her what this is? But this bottle is the cutest. Are you asking her? His sister made us some tres leche and I want to know what this is. What could this be used for? Do we like my nails?